New Year. Happy 2025, beloveds. Just popping in here. Wanted to wish you the absolute best year yet. And with that, I want to share with you a blessing that I lean into, right? That I have up on my mirror that I keep and look at daily. And while I get prepared here, let's see. And so the blessing reads as such: I declare that you are blessed with wisdom and that you may make good choices in life. I declare you are blessed with courage, with strength, with great vision, with an obedient heart, and with a positive outlook. I declare you are blessed with good health, with vitality, and that you will live a long, satisfied life. I declare you are blessed with good family, with good friends, with healthy relationships, and that your children will be mighty in the land. I declare you are blessed with protection. I declare you are blessed with promotion, with good success, with ideas, with creativity. I declare that whatever you put your hands on, it will prosper. You will be blessed in the city and blessed in the country. You will be blessed when you come in and blessed when you go out. I declare you will lend and not borrow. You will be above and never beneath, okay? I declare a new sense of freedom from whatever holds you back, and a new happiness and new fulfillment. So I send this prayer out to you and your loved ones and into the universe. It's not unique to me. I'll put a link or a snippet at the end of this of one of my books, my favorite books and authors of the books from whom I get these blessings from. So I wanted to share with you as a blessing for you for 2025. And as always, it's my absolute pleasure. And God bless you. I love you. Until next time, beloveds. Bye-bye for now.